Hey, what's up guys, my name is Persh and I'm the creative director at AdZerX. I came across this really cool ad by HexClad and here's me breaking it down. Stick until the end and I'll give away the copy template for free.
Once you get these, you'll never buy another pan again.
So they start off with a really simple hook. It's both auditory and visual. The first clip that you see here is this image of this disgusting pan. It's kind of a pattern interrupt as well, that when you see this on your feed scrolling through, it instantly makes you go like, oh, what is going on here, right? And just in the beginning 5 seconds of the video, you already have a premise of what is going to happen, what the video is about. The first two shots is this disgusting pan, but the next two are their pan, which looks really amazing. It's really clean. So this is really quickly showing you where you are right now and where you can be.
Non-stick pans are expensive and scratch easily, and stainless steel pans cause food to stick. Cast iron pans can get sticky and gross when used wrong.
And now they moved on to the pain points. In a nutshell, it is just, oh, here's A problem with X product, here's B problem with Y product, and here's C problem with Z product. They use 3. You can use however many you like, but they're really agitating the pain point of, oh, look at all these problems that all of our competitors have. And the competitor, it doesn't really have to be a brand. For example, here they're just using their competitors as cast iron pans, steel pans, non-stick pans. And now they're going to move on to the solution.
HexClad cookware is the best of non-stick, stainless steel, and cast iron in one pan.
So again, the solution, it was really simple. It is just, oh, all the 3 problems we stated before, here's them again. And here's our pan, which solves all 3 of them.
HexClad's hybrid technology has...
Just after the solution, it is, they call it the HexClad hybrid technology or whatever, but it really is a unique mechanism or a unique proposition. You must have seen this in a ton of ads these days. It is just another differentiator of your product versus other brands or other products. Is, oh look, we have this unique proposition of, or we have this unique mechanism. And now they're gonna move on to their features.
Has the durability of cast iron, the flexibility of non-stick, and the searing power of stainless steel. It's oven safe, dishwasher safe.
So again, it was really simple. They just went over their pain points again, that, oh, our pan, it solves this problem from cast iron pans, it solves this problem from non-stick, and it solves this problem for whatever pan, right? So it really shows the value of their product is, oh, we solve all the pain points that we explained to you before, and on top of it, we add more value and give you 2 more extra features. And now they're gonna move on to the outcome, or what is the outcome that their product is gonna get you to.
I get compliments whenever I cook for my friends.
So now they say that, oh, I always get compliments whenever I cook for my friends. Since this is a cooking product, what is the best thing that could happen to you if you cook? Getting compliments, right? So this is emotional right here, and this is, oh, this is where you could be if you buy our product, that everybody is gonna compliment your cooking.
I use it every day.
And now they put in an affirming statement is, oh, I use it every day.
And I got 33% off when I bought mine. They even have a lifetime guarantee, so you know it's worth every penny.
So if you were not sold already, right here, they just double the value. They're like, oh, here were all the pain points you were suffering from. Here was our solution. This is the desired outcome. But now guess what? I'll double the value and it comes with a discount and a lifetime guarantee. So you know it's worth every penny. Like if you were not sold already, you would be sold right here.
I threw out all my other pans once I got these.
And then in the end, it's just a little conclusion that, oh, you don't need any other product besides ours. And now they end with a call to action, which is, they could have done it with a voiceover as well, but they chose to do it with just text and a logo animation in the end. But that was about it. This ad has performed exceptionally well for this brand HexClad. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed, consider subscribing. And if you want to learn more about direct response ads, we spill the beans on everything that is going on in the direct response space, from tools, tips, techniques, copy templates, ad templates, Premier promo goods, everything you can imagine. We are doing a free training and it's in the description, so go ahead and sign up for it. And here's the copy template for you guys on the screen. Then you can watch this video next where I create an ad with no assets at all. So now you can use this copy to create an ad for your brand. Thanks for watching and ciao.